It was a rainy night. We took a taxi to your mother's home. She went to Florida and left you with your father's gun alone upon a small white bed. I fell into a dream. You sat up all the night and you watched me just to see who in the world I might be. I am from the Sunday school. I sing soprano in the upstairs choir. You are a holy man on the FM radio. I sat up all the night and I watched thee just to see who in the world you might be and what you might mean to me. You called me beautiful. We called your mother. She was very tan. So you packed your tent